how to add or remove sound amplifier in the app list on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on Sound Amplifier. Once it has opened, tap on the More button, then tap on Settings. After that, tap on Show Icon in App List. So tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Here, if I switch it off, you can see if I go to my app list now, it's not in here. So if I try to search for it, Sound Amplifier. So it's not showing, it shows install apps, but it's not showing in the app list. So in here, I can tap on install apps, and then I can open Sound Amplifier from here. So if you swipe down at the top and tap on settings, then we scroll down and tap on accessibility, then tap on install apps. From here, you can launch Sound Amplifier, and then tap on open Sound Amplifier, and then tap on the more button, then tap on settings, then tap on show icon in the app list, and now you bring it back to the app list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.